Hi everyone, it's Gary Nicholson here for the Mountain Weather Information Service. This is your planning outlook video updated on Friday the 27th of July. And all looking rather unsettled through this weekend as the heat breaks down into thunderstorms or more organised areas of rain in places, strong to gale force winds developing at times too, and a changeable start to the new week as southwesterly winds dominate for a few days, breezy with some showers around focused towards the northwest, but signs that high pressure will try and rebuild as the week goes on to settle things down again. Let's have a look at those charts for the next few days. Here's Saturday, rather a messy picture. Low pressure and fronts driving northeastwards. Some heavy and prolonged falls of rain across the eastern side of the Scottish Highlands in particular. As that low then pulls further north, the wraparound may come back into the Western Highlands as the winds just switch round west-southwesterly later. Showers, some heavy and thundery running in across England and Wales on brisk southwesterly winds. And the next low, waiting to the southwest, will move in quickly on Saturday night. And that's quite a potent feature that will then sweep northeastwards through Sunday. Some heavy and prolonged rain on various fronts that track northwards, the winds strengthening towards gale force. The worst of those probably sweeping across England, Wales and the eastern side of Scotland, whilst in the centre of the low across more central western parts of the Highlands you might get away with not quite so strong winds overall. But a poor day where that rain is in, gradually clearing to showers. Quite how long the rain lasts across Scotland is a bit tricky. The far north and northwest may escape not too bad. Into the new week, and Monday sees south-southwesterly winds, still quite breezy across many mountains, the remnants of fronts pushing across England and Wales, and further bits of fronts coming off the Atlantic to organised showers at times into more longer periods of rain around some western mountains, showers tending to be most focused inland by the time you go through into the afternoons, but broadly western mountains across much of the country may well be filled in with low cloud. Breaks best towards the northern Cairngorms and the far north of the northwest Highlands, with some breaks to higher summits. Tuesday, breezy, blustery, maybe even up to gale force on some Scottish tops through the day. You just need to watch the details. Again, showers will be around, these driving northeastwards with time. Again, the best of the breaks and the longer, drier, brighter periods across more northern and eastern parts of the Highlands. So that's where we pick up the story in midweek. Low pressure is towards Iceland, and it's that southwesterly tracking airflow that we've not seen for a while, but will be in for a few days. The remnants of fronts could just be a nuisance in midweek across many parts of northern Britain, so could be a struggle just to get rid of that mixed pattern. But the idea is that high pressure to the south will start to build, and warmer air gets back into the mix. And overall, it looks as though things improve markedly as the week goes on. We run towards the weekend on these last couple of slides, and higher pressure is back over the top of the British Isles, with the optimism there of things settling down for warm and sunny weather. Might not be quite set in stone yet that it's guaranteed to be a fair weekend, but it looks an improving picture at the very least. And the favoured indications is further into early August. That's the week up until the 9th. It's the anomalies of the pressure patterns in the middle layers of the atmosphere, and the bright red colours are taking us with high pressure in charge through that period. And it looks as though it's focused more towards northern Britain once again. So it's reforming a block that has been around commonly this summer, and the airflow probably coming in as an east or a southeasterly, with some scope for some warmth to get back in. Always got to watch for anything thundery just trying to erode into that at times from the southwest. But it could well be that we go back into a sustained, dry, warm, fairly sunny spell as we go well into the early part of August. And if that does develop, then we're well on the way to this being one of those very memorable summers of glorious weather being the dominant theme. We'll keep an eye on it. Things could change, of course, at that distance, but it looks as though that's the pattern going further ahead. We'll update this video early in the new week. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.